Up until now, we have learned much about Microsoft Word. We have learned about commands. We have learned about ribbon. We have learned about group. We have learned about find and replace. Pretty awesome, isn't it? We have learned all about how to send, import, export any document in the Microsoft Word. That's good if you are working in a native company or running on your own small scale company. But if you want to be a more professional in Microsoft Word or looking for work in freelancing, I would suggest you to dig deep by learning the second advanced course, which will be available soon. If you want to design your writing in more professional way, I suggest you to join Adobe InDesign course, which will be available soon. Advanced version of Microsoft Word 2022 will be available on Insight e-learning platform. I suggest you to continue learning about it until you become truly professional. Now hit the bell icon and support my team. Thank you.